Welcome back to CarXNL. Today we're doing a full POV review of the AMG A45S. Let's dive into the looks, performance and driving experience of this hatchback. First off, I might have a soft spot for this car. It's my own and it's actually the second car I've ever bought. So maybe I'm looking at it through print glasses. But I'll try to point out the flaws too so you get the full picture. Let's start with the rims. They've got that sleek AMG look, though you see them on a lot of AMGs. And right here you can spot the Turbo 4MATIC Plus badge, showing off a bit of what this car is packing. You can probably tell that all the windows are tinted here. The front two are tinted right up to the max legal limit in the Netherlands, and the back windows fully darkened. Here's the back of the car, where you can see the quad exhaust setup and of course the AMG and A45 badges. It might just be a small hatchback, but the trunk space is surprisingly decent. You can easily fit 2 suitcases or all your groceries back here. Plenty of space for a compact hatchback. I'm thinking of upgrading the mini spoiler to a bigger one for a more bolder look. And the exhaust, well, it's decent but not loud enough for me. Planning to swap it out too. Let me know in the comments if you think those are great ideas. This car is equipped with the automatic folding mirrors, adding a practical and stylish feature for tight parking spaces. I absolutely love this location for my reviews. The beautiful nature makes a perfect backdrop to showcase these cars. Now that we have covered the exterior, let's dive into the interior and see what this A45 has to offer. Let's start with the steering wheel. The Alcantara feels fantastic and it gives the car a really sporty look. Both front seats are electric, which adds a nice touch of convenience and comfort. Plus, both front seats are heated, perfect for those cold mornings. Mercedes always nails the ambient lighting, the A45S is no exception. The ambient lighting in this car really sets the mood. I've already made a night POV drive for you guys and it will be the first link in the description. You've also got the screen where you can store your music, check the car's performance or change the ambient lighting. You can navigate the screen using some buttons on the steering wheel or with this control pad. This is the cabin space where you can store your keys or other essentials. Plus, this car comes with 4 USB-C ports for all your charging. These buttons we'll talk about later when we start the car up. And here are the pedals if you want to take control and shift gears yourself. This is the dashboard featuring the AMG screen. And here we've got the sunglasses compartment. These bucket seats are in my opinion great. I know some people find them a bit firm, but I can easily handle long trips in them. I also really like the yellow stitching. It's everywhere on the seats and even around the steering wheel at the 12 o'clock mark. This car is equipped with the Burmester speakers, providing an exceptional audio experience. Alright, enough about the interior, let's take this car for a drive. Here you can see the buttons on the left and right. The left one controls the start-stop system, which I'll be turning off. And on the right, you have the options to put the car in Sport, Sport Plus and Race mode. Using the control pad, I also turn off lane assist. Right now the car is in comfort mode, but we'll switch it into the sportier settings soon. The large windows provide excellent visibility, which is essential when you're driving fast in a car like this. What can be tricky is the car's low stance. You can drive over every speed bump without being careful, and it's not even that low. Let's take a ride instead, it's too busy over there. We're still in comfort mode, but don't be fooled, this car can deliver some serious speed, also in comfort mode. almost forgot to mention the panoramic sunroof. With just a click of this button, the panoramic sunroof opens up. But let's close it now to keep the wind noise down. And if you click it one more time the opposite direction, a sunshade will come down to block out the sunlight. But for now, let's just open it up to get some extra light in here. The brakes in this car feel really responsive. Also, the steering wheel feels precise and gives you great feedback, which is exactly what you want in a car like this. Now let's switch it into a more sporty mode. You can definitely hear the difference in the engine note. When you switch it into race mode, you can immediately hear the pops and bangs from the exhaust. That's what makes a fun car for me. In comfort, it's surprisingly quiet, and with just the push of a button, I can transform the driving experience. And keep in mind, all without having the AMG performance exhaust or aftermarket exhaust installed. It really is busy today. For now, let's switch back to comfort mode. We'll switch to race mode again in a bit when we hit the highway. This is my first car with Alcantara and I really like it. You have to experience it for yourself. Also, if you're not racing, it's not a problem to put the car into comfort mode. My wallet definitely appreciates that, because in race mode the fuel just flies down. It feels really aggressive. But I will be quiet now so we can enjoy the sound. really love about this car. You can go really fast, but if you want to drive more relaxed, you just switch it into comfort mode. You don't have to focus as much, one hand on the steering wheel, the other on the controls. It's better for a more relaxed drive. also filmed some flybys and a 0 to 100 run with launch control for you guys. I hope you enjoyed that. So let's jump into the flybys now. That wraps up the review. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed checking out the A45S with me. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more POV reviews and car content. Don't forget to check out the 2 videos on screen if you want more. Drop a comment with your thoughts and questions about this AMG and let me know which car you want to see next. Thanks again and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.